Before we go to yogurt, I would like to discuss first butter. Butter is normally packed in aluminized film, which makes it not suitable to use a metal detector. Therefore, we should apply an X-ray inspection system, as there are many mechanical parts in the butter factory which can cause foreign bodies. From my point of view, butter is the perfect product for an X-ray inspection system. Why? It's completely flat and it's a completely homogeneous material. Gives us the best X-ray images you can imagine. And this means we have very good detection results, not only for metal, also for glass and also for rubber sealings that you have in your factories. Butter is normally produced single or dual lane, with around 100 to 125 pieces per minute and lane. I suggest to use an SCW, which is a system combining X-ray and checkweighing. In the SCW, we can apply the VioX camera technology, which is installed in this stainless steel box. This is protecting your butter line against downtime. Butter is the most valuable ingredient of milk, so overfilling is very costly for the manufacturer. With a system like our SCW, you can control the filling of each single filling head you use. So overfilling can be avoided. At the same time, you produce legal for trade. We always look at butter production to use very small roller diameters to protect the shape of the butter block. Okay, let's have a look on yogurt. Yogurt is normally packed in plastic cups. And when it comes to foreign body inspection, it is normally already packed in cardboard trays. So in this case, you could apply, for example, like the machine here, an SC5000. So what we have to look for? It is always better when we go short edge leading through the machine. Besides foreign body inspection, of course, we can check if all the cups are in the tray. And besides that, we can check if the fill level of each cup is correct. Very often, the products have not the correct space when they are transferred to our machine. In this case, we can apply additional conveyors or chain conveyors that are also controlled via our HMI. So we can create the gap by our own. This gap we need for a safe rejection. But when it comes to high throughputs, a pushing system is not the correct solution, as it might smash the trays. In this case, we can apply a system which is not touching the yogurt trays. When we speak about thermoformed yogurt cups, we should speak about scanning in the filling line. Why? Because if we scan already in the filling machine itself, we will get the best detection results in terms of foreign bodies, but also in terms of fill level. So, how we can do this? This is our SCI integration X-ray system, which we integrate together with line manufacturers into the complete thermoforming line. The products, they are always running in cycles. So, our approach of scanning is a little bit different. In that moments when the products are stopping, the X-ray tube and the camera move in parallel above the product. After the cutting, the sorting system of the thermoforming line gets from us the information which cup is good and which cup is bad. So in this case, you also save a lot of space. Besides this, as mentioned before, you get very good detection results in terms of foreign bodies, but also in terms of fill level, as there's no influence of the tray. Let's speak about preformed cups with yogurt, spread cheese, or desserts. So these products are normally filled by rotary fillers. Means product come in cycles, and we have to apply conveyors that are able to create the gap we need for rejection. We could use for foreign body inspection a scanner like our SC3000. And if we want to go for weighing, we can use the SCW, which is able to provide filler feedback and which is able to weigh legal for trade. But what is the use for serialization in the dairy industry? I think we have to ask my colleague, Daniel Anders, who is the product manager for Track and Trace solution. Okay, Daniel, what about serialization in the dairy industry?
Serialization can help you to track your products through the complete supply chain, so in your stock, for the wholesaler, also for the end customer. And combined with the data the X-ray scanner gains, you can even check months later which found objects found in the products there.
Okay, and is there any country with any specific laws for that?
This is rising up in the moment. In the next months, Russia will bring a law in place so that every milk product need to be serialized, which is going to Russia. We have already ongoing projects there and can help the customers to bring them up to the level.
Thank you very much for the information.
You're welcome.
So let's go back to foreign body inspection and fill level control. Until now, we were not speaking about yogurt drinks in bottles like this. These bottles are normally higher than wide. Means we have to use another kind of X-ray image capturing. We use so-called side view scanners, where the X-ray tube is on the back side and the detector is on the front side. This gives us an image like this. Here you see yogurt drink bottles running through the X-ray scanner. Of course, all our doors are secured with safety switches, so that no radiation can get out when the door is opened. We are the experts for foreign body inspection in the dairy industry. If you have any questions, please ask me.